please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Hey now, it's your girl ChonitaNicole, and if you're new, welcome to Do Dream On, and if you are already a dreamer, welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. You see where we are. We are in the Cricut design space, and we are making earrings today. So, yep, these are some earrings that I made. I got the girls from Etsy, and I made the design. These are my I am statements, my positive affirmations. If you saw my other video, you already know that. But yeah, we making earrings today, y'all. And what we doing is our earrings are 3 inches. So specifically for these are about 2.938 by 2.78, 2.924 by 2.767. So it just depends, but those are the dimensions that we're going to be using. So we're going to go ahead, print these out, tap these on these earrings, press them, and see how they come out. So stay tuned. Today I'm going to be sublimating earrings for the first time. I'm going to do one at a time right now, just because it's my first time. I'm going to do it front and back like this, and then I'm going to tape it so it doesn't move. But that's basically how I'm going to do it. So I'm going to go ahead and make sure this one is on there, because I checked it already. Perfect, like how I want it to be. And then we're going to put the one on top. Perfect how I want to be. And then I know how it is because I measured it before I put it on there, and then I see where the wording would be. So I'm going to tape them, and I'm going to put them on my heat press once it gets to 400, because it's not on 400 yet. So yep, so that's what I'm gonna do today. And we're gonna see for the first time my first earring. I taped it on here. This is my first time, so we just gonna see what it do. And then I'm gonna set it on a heat transfer, cover it up, gonna scoot them up a little bit. And I'm gonna do 400 at 60 seconds. This is my first time, so I'm just trying it. We're gonna see how it comes out. Ooh. See how they turned out. Okay. Give me a second. Oh, yes. Give me a second. Ooh. Oh, yeah, it turned out pretty. I don't know if the back did it or not. Let's see. No. All right, so mine not two-sided. I gotta do one side at a time. Damn it. But this side turned out really good. I can't do double side. I saw somebody do one there. They have a different heat press as me though. But that looks beautiful. Sub on this earring. I'm gonna do them one at a time. Let's see how this turned out. This is the I Am Beautiful one. Let's see. Woo. It's beautiful. I had to put it more at the top so I could get the whole I Am Beautiful on there. So yeah, that was pretty simple. You see how I did it, and these sub really well. They were easy to do. They came out beautiful, and I'm happy with them. So, yep, that is how you sub on earrings. Yay! Thank you for your time. Please like, share, and subscribe. Bye.